suck! You suck.
You suck! Suck at everything! You suck! So hard! You suck so bad! Do not.
Does this mean I'm not gonna get to do the duet?
Albert, you suck. Oh, and by the way, you suck!
You suck.
You suck worse. Come on.
Score! You suck.
Wait, no, I suck at dancing.
No one will notice.
How will they not notice?
You suck at everything.
You suck. Why do you even come here anymore? We don't want you.
You suck! Get off the stage! Oh, come on, give him a chance.
You suck, Silac. Typical.
I never want to see you again! You suck! Ah!
Why the fuck should I? That is your fucking job, motherfucker. But obviously, you suck at it.
Hey guys, how you doing? Lupe in the house. You suck, Lupe! Oh yeah, I used to suck, but not anymore.
That'll be $5, Isherwood. You suck.
You suck as a friend, man.
Oh yeah, I suck. That's why I picked you up. That's why I'm always defending you. That's why I never told anyone about your little problem.